Today we are making an adorable and delicious Santa hat punch that will be a hit at all your Christmas parties. My name is Aliana and welcome to my kitchen. The first thing I'm going to do is add 4 cups of cranberry juice to my punch bowl. Next, I'm going to be adding in 1 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice just to add a little citrusy flavor to our drink. As well as a little bit of sweetness. You can always add more or less depending on how sweet you like your drinks. But I like to add about a half a cup of simple syrup. There we go. And to make simple syrup, it is so simple. All you need to do is take 1 cup of water to 1 cup of sugar and let it simmer for about 10 minutes until your sugar has completely dissolved. Then you can set this aside until room temperature and you have yourself some easy, simple syrup. And if you want to get creative, you can always add in some herbs or fruit to your simple syrup. But I love to just have a basic one in my fridge, so whenever I make cocktails, I just have it on hand. Next, I'm going to add in half a cup of just triple sec. This will just add in some orange flavor to our drink. There we go. And if you want to make it boozy, you can bring out your vodka, and I like to add anywhere from 1 to 2 cups of vodka to my drink. As always, you can not add this or you can add more and make it as boozy as you like, but I'm going to be doing 2 cups of vodka today. I have some champagne that I'm going to add in, and I'm just using 1 bottle because if you know me, you know I love to add champagne to my cocktails. But if you want to, you can also just use sparkling water like Pellegrino. But I do recommend using a little bit more simple syrup if you're just going to add in sparkling water, because the champagne does add a level of sweetness to the drink. But I know what you're probably thinking. How is this a Santa hat? Well, that's the next step. To decorate our glasses, I just have some Pillsbury white frosting. You can make that from scratch, which I usually do, but you really want it to be this clear white color. And my butter is all yellow, so it makes it a little bit of an off-white. So I splurged and got some Pillsbury. And what you're going to want to do is just take a little frosting on your knife, and you're going to go all the way around your glass with your frosting. And then we are going to dip it in our coconut flakes. So now I've filled ourselves up some glasses, and what I love to do when I'm having a big party is just decorate my glasses in advance, and then when people show up, they can just pour themselves a glass and enjoy. But now it's my favorite time of any video. It is getting to taste our Santa hat cocktail. So good. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. Cheers!